Hey guys, so in this video, you will discover a free online marketing tool that can help you to build your websites, your funnels, do email marketing, build your courses, host videos, and much more. So make sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. Also, if it's your first time on the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's dive into the content. So we are going to talk about this all-in-one marketing tool called Systeme. So it's free to get started and it won't require any credit cards. So there will be a link down below in the description. Just click on that link and it will take you to this page where you can simply create your free account by entering your email address. After that, you just confirm your email and you can log into your account. So this is how the dashboard looks like. This is a free account with Systeme. So you will be able to do your entire online marketing, your business building using this platform. So you can create 3 sales funnels, which is really great for beginners. And so yeah, this is the free plan. So you can sell your products with this platform. It can be digital products or physical products. You can send out emails to your email list using their tool. So with the free plan, you get unlimited email sends, which is really amazing. You can build your website, so you can cancel your website hosting. You can build one blog. So I can show you quickly how to build a blog with this platform. So just go to the blogs tab, click on create. You can connect your custom domain or use the subdomain. In this case, we can use the our custom domain. S blog URL path. It can be blog. We get different templates here for our blog. So we can pick this one, or let's preview the template first. So this is how our blog will look like with Systeme. Of course, everything is fully customizable. So you can customize everything on your page. This is just a preview. You can have an opt-in form on your blog, of course. Everything normally you could have with WordPress. You can do this with this platform. So select the template, save, and in one click we have created our own blog, which is really cool. It's very easy to use. So we can click on the title if we want to add some content to our blog. So we can see all our blog posts here. We can edit our post layout using the editor. So everything is drag and drop, very easy to use. And yeah, here is how it looks like. You can add different elements here to your post. So text, of course, video, audio, images, blog post categories, blog post date, blog post image, title, blog post content, and so much more. So it is very easy to use. Everything is drag and drop. So yeah, let's exit and I can show you the sales funnel builder. The sales funnel builder is very similar to the ones you are familiar with, like ClickFunnels or Go High Level or any other funnel builder. Funnel 1, we can use a custom domain, build an audience. So I will show you some opt-in squeeze page templates they have got for you. So it will create a 2-step funnel for us. Squeeze page, thank you page. We get different templates here that we can use. So we can use different templates. We can select this one. Then you can see different options here. So you can change here your URL path if you want to change it. You can change the funnel, the first funnel step name, different automation rules here. You can add the rule, funnel step form subscribe, what you want to happen after someone subscribe to the form. A/B split testing, so you can start A/B split test your pages and optimize your lead and sales generation. Stats, so you can see here your total amount of sales, average cart value. You can filter by date. You can see here your sales. You can set up deadline settings. You can see here your leads once you get some lead. So let's go back to the step configuration, edit the page. So you can see the editor is very, so it's the same like for the blog builder you have seen previously. It's the same builder. It's very easy to use. You just drag and drop. So just click on this text, for example. If you want to change the color, let's make it red. It's red. Let's click on the button. Settings. Let's make it background color. Let's make it yellow. Let's change the text color. So where we can change the text color, I believe here. I believe here, button text, text color, yeah. So we can make it black. So we have changed quickly the text color as well. You can of course change the fonts, add different elements, add videos, all sorts of things. So just like any other funnel builder, you can optimize the mobile view. So this is how it will look like on mobile. You can do changes, of course, and it is very, very user friendly. So this is the sales funnel builder. Save changes, exit. We can go to the second funnel step, to the thank you page. We can select another template. You can also build from scratch, but it's just much easier to build using the templates. So again, we can edit the page. So it is very, very easy to use. Then, of course, we can customize everything here as well. Very, very easy to use page builder. So this is how the template looks like. We can save the changes, exit. Then here we can send out email newsletters. We can see our campaigns, statistics. Then we can connect Stripe and PayPal, sell our products, courses, course bundles. We can even set up an online community, like a forum. Add the new course. If you want to create a new course name, description, it's optional, language English. Here's our URL path for our course domain. Actually, we can use a custom domain here as well. Theme, we can set up green, font, instructor name, my name. We can add a logo, image. We can even use HTML and JavaScript code. Sales page, we can connect it to this sales page here. Choose a sales funnel step. So if we want to sell our course, let's save it. Then let's add modules here. So we can add module number 1, save it. Then we can, under module, we can add lectures here. Lecture 1, delay after previous lecture. We have here different templates. So we will stick to the default one. Save, create a lecture. We can edit now our lectures here. Everything is again fully customizable. So you can customize your lecture page here. drag and drop, same builder, save and changes, exit. So it's very, very easy to use. Then you can also duplicate your lecture. Duplicate. We can then, I believe, here you can change. One moment. Yes, you can change the lecture name. So it won't say copy, but it will say something like lecture 3, save, then lecture 2. So it's very, very easy to use, a user-friendly platform. So if you are on Kajabi, Thinkific, Teachable, or any WordPress-based course platform, I highly suggest you to check out Systeme because it's very easy to use and you will get everything you need with this platform. Add module. We will add module number 2. Save. And what I really like about this platform that they keep adding new features on the weekly basis. So you can even request some additional features if you miss something that you can find here. They will most likely add it in the feature. Students, add student. So you can just simply add manually the student if you want. So first name, last name, email, access type, full access, partial access, drip content. So it's really, really amazing. Let's just view. So of course it is not live yet, so that is why it says no lectures. Community. We could even connect a community to our course and have discussion within our community. So which is really, really amazing. Now it has a marketplace also, so you can even simply publish your course to the marketplace and other affiliates could promote your course for percentage. Like you can see here, some other people have published their products here and they are paying out like 50% to affiliates, then 15, 20%, 20%, 40, 50. So you can get some great partnerships using this affiliate marketplace. It's similar like ClickBank. So you just publish your course here and get other people's promote it for you. That's really amazing. Here is the help section. So by clicking on this help section, you will get different articles here to how to integrate PayPal with Systeme, how to integrate your root domain into Systeme, how to connect Systeme customer support, how the affiliate program works, different. So all your questions will be answered here if you're on the free plan. And you will get also customer support on the free plan as well, so you don't have to worry about it. Here, the articles are sorted in different categories, so you won't get lost. If you have some questions about sales funnels, just click on the sales funnel sections. Then how to create a deadline for sales funnels, click on that one. And it will walk you through the entire process of setting up a deadline for your sales funnels, for example. So it is really amazing. Now let's go back to the homepage and let me walk you through the pricing. So the free plan is really amazing and really all you need to get started with this platform. So you get 2,000 email contacts with unlimited email sends, 3 sales funnels, 15 sales funnel steps, 1 blog, unlimited blog posts, 1 course, unlimited students, 1 community, unlimited community members. And you are, of course, limited here with tags, email campaigns, one-click upsells, order bumps, A/B split tests. You get Stripe integration, PayPal integration, Razorpay, Flutterwave with the free plan as well. You can run your affiliate program. You get support. You can connect 1 custom domain. Now, if you are already you have a business, of course, right, with other platforms, and you are making money. In that case, of course, you will need more contacts, more funnels, more courses, more communities. In that case, I suggest you to pick up one of the annual plans. So from the dashboard, you will be able to upgrade your account, or I will also leave you a link down below in the description for the annual unlimited plan that I highly suggest you to pick up if you need unlimited everything. So you just pay annually and you will save 30%. So you pay only little over $800 for the annual unlimited plan. And with this plan, they will also do your free migration, and you will get a one-on-one Kickstart coaching session to get started with the platform. And you truly get unlimited everything, which is really cool. Normally, uh, this would cost you thousands of dollars per month to get everything you get with this annual unlimited plan. So I highly suggest you to pick up this one if you are really serious about scaling your online business, because they will migrate all your stuffs from other platforms to Systeme free of charge with this plan. But if you can't afford the annual unlimited plan, there is a webinar plan and a startup plan. With both of these plans, you get free migration as well. But of course, less contacts, less sales funnels, and not everything is unlimited, of course, with these two uh, startup and webinar plans. So the unlimited plan is what I highly suggest you after signing up for the free account and playing with the platform. If you think it is a good fit for you, just go with the unlimited plan, and I promise you, you will love it. You will save a tons of money compared to other platforms. And also with this free migration, you will just save a tons of time as well, because you won't have to migrate your stuff over to Systeme, but their team will do it for you free of charge, which is really cool. This alone would cost you, I believe, at least $1,000 to have someone else migrate it for you, and they will do it for you free if you upgrade to any of their annual plans. So it is very, very cool. I hope you enjoyed the content. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and see you in my next video.